It's Beetroot Rice Day Farm. So welcome back to Nice Chronicle channel. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of how I made this delicious delicacy called the beetroot rice. So here are some of the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. The beetroot, garlic, ginger is not here. The green peas, fresh pepper and onions, carrots and bell peppers, and my chicken itself. I already started parboiling the chicken prior to this video. Then the next is to blend our beetroot. I added a little water, placed it on the blending engine, and blended it into a smooth fine paste. Yes, we need that paste because we need to extract more water, and we just need to extract all the water and nutrients in this beetroot. Next, I placed the sieve on a bowl, poured in the blended beetroot paste, and used a spoon to match it so that I can drain out all the water needed. I need this first draining, after which I will transfer it to another bowl and drain again the water I'll use in the parboiling of the rice. This is the thicker water. Then next thing, we've started frying our chicken. The chicken was done, so it just needed a little fry, just a little fry, not frying for a very long time. I just fried for like 2 minutes. I fried it for like 2 minutes and it was done. I put it off the fire. Next, I was parboiling the rice with the lighter beetroot extract. When the rice was ready, I washed it off, placed it back on fire, and poured in the thicker beetroot water and stirred together. I just wanted to get the perfect color I want. I don't want it too pink. I don't want it deep pink. I just want something light. So I placed it on fire. I reserved some of the extract. I poured in my blended onion, garlic, and fresh pepper. Then I added my meat stock. Then rinsed off my blender and added some water again to steam the rice with it. I covered the no, I think I added yes, I didn't cover the pot immediately. I stirred again. Then I added my seasoning cube. Yes, you can add any spice you want at this point. Anything you want, but I did not put curry because I don't want it to change the color of my food. But if I had fresh curry, I would have used it. So I went in with my salt, maggi, and thyme, after which I stirred the rice again and covered to boil. Then the rice was okay, but didn't give me the color I wanted. I went in with the beetroot water again, the thicker one, to get the color I want. I gave it a good stir and a good mix, and I think it was okay at this point, but I needed more color, and I went in with the beetroot water again. You can see the beautiful color it's giving me. If you want to make this a pink rice, you can use this recipe too for pink rice. Then next, I started off by frying the carrot and green peas. I wanted it to be soft, after which I went in with the onion, bell peppers, and I spiced the vegetable to give it a good taste. I stirred everything together and I tested it. It was soft enough for me. Then I went in with my rice. This time I stirred it to incorporate the taste of the vegetable and the spices into the rice. Voila! Our beetroot rice is ready. You can try this for your kids at home. They will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more of these recipes.